Oh, COVID, what a dirge you are. With your coughs, nae taste, and your temperature. Lives lost too soon, hospitals crammed. Nae bairns at school, oh COVID, be damned. You've locked us down with nae pub to go, working fae hame or left in furlough. We cannae see friends, nor kith and kin. Your national restrictions are keeping us in. Doon here in Bradford, we do all we can to look out for each other, child, woman, and man. Keep everyone safe, and with all they need, while they self-isolate and they wait to be freed. And we thought you began what we vaccine and a, but the new variant makes us all stay indoor. Locked down in the house with on daytime TV. Oh, COVID, what a dirge are ye?